Now you got the your favorite content creator or competitors data from TikTok, or if you want Twitter, YouTube, whatnot. And then you can even ask retriever, like, analyze these top videos and give me the strategy of this favorite content creator or like competitor. There you go. There you go. In no time, we got her strategy. What retriever has to say. Authenticity and personal glimpses as number one is highlighting the videos of like her holiday decor gaining the most 66 million views, and leveraging trending sounds and memes, because we also got the information of like in the description of like what sound they used. And finally, fashion and lifestyle showcase. Yeah, we cannot agree more. And finally, like very concise titles and descriptions. Now, don't waste time and go ahead, analyze your favorite content creators, competitors, and get started with Retriever AI.